students. Today we are discussing about the remaining problems in our seventh chapter. What is our next problem is that is problem number 3. Show that integration 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x dx. So this is equals to pi by 2 root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. See now, this is very important problem for 7 marks. What is given here? Integration 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x dx. See now, this in which form? Integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx is equals to integration 0 to a f of x dx. Apply this formula here. Now integration 0 to pi by 2 x means what? That is a minus x by sin of a minus x plus here what is a? That is pi by 2 minus x by sin of pi by 2 minus x plus cos of pi by 2 minus x dx. See now, this is equals to, we are taking some I. So how we can write this is integration 0 to pi by 2, then pi by 2 dx by, this is which form? Sin 90 minus, first split the denominator, sin pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x minus integration 0 to pi by 2 x dx by sin of pi by 2 minus x plus cos of pi by 2 minus x. See now, integration 0 to pi by 2, here pi by 2 is constant, then dx by, this in which form? Sin 90 minus theta. Pi by 2 means how many degrees? That is 90 degrees. So sin 90 minus theta, that is lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. So then sin becomes what? That is cos. So sin 90 minus theta is nothing but what? That is cos x. And this in which form? Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. This is also lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. And cos 90 minus theta, that is what? Sin x. Minus integration 0 to pi by 2 x dx by sin 90 minus theta, then cos x plus cos 90 minus theta sin x. So this is equals to, see now, pi by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx by cos x plus sin x minus, this is equals to what? This is given. What is that integration? 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x dx equals what? That is I. This is I. So now this is equals to, that is I. Now I minus I come this side plus I pi by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx by cos x plus sin x. I plus I is nothing but what, that is 2I. Now 2I equals what, pi by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx by cos x plus sin x. So 2I equals to this one. What is I here? I equals to pi by 4 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx by cos x plus sin x. Okay. Next term. See here, we have to find out this value. Okay. Now, see what is the method here. Here, tan x by 2 equals to t. Then, differentiation on both sides. So, what we are getting here, 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 dx equals to dt. Now, what is secant square x by 2 dx equals to what, that is 2 dt. Now dx equals to what, 2 dt by secant square x by 2. Okay, already we know. So then dx equals to what, then 2 dt by secant square x by 2 means how we can write, that is secant square theta equals to, that is 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now what we are getting dx here, 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Tan x by 2 already we know, that is equals to what, t. Now tan square x by 2 means what, that is t square. Means dx equals to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. And like that, next what is cos x? Cos x equals to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and the sin x equals to 2t by 1 plus t square. Already we know what is the formula of cos x, that is 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and what is sin x here, 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. We know what is the tan x by 2 equals what, that is t. So what is the formula here, cos x equals to 1 minus t square, sin x equals to 2t by 1 plus t square. Now apply these all formulas in this. What we are getting here, I equals to pi by 4 integration 0 to pi by 2. What is dx here? Now dx is nothing but 2 dt by 1 plus t square by what is cos x here, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, plus what is sin x here, 2t by 1 plus t square. So now what we are getting here, c. Now pi by 4 integration 0 to pi by 2. Now 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Take the LCM here, 1 plus t square. Now what we are getting here, 1 minus t square plus 2t. LCM gets cancelled. Then pi by 4 integration, here 2 is constant, then 2 into pi by 4 integration dt by 1 minus t square plus 2t. See now how we can see the denominator, that is in which form, ax square plus bx plus c. Already we know the method in the integration. How we can write, that is we can change into what is the working rule, a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta. Okay. Now see here, take the previous step, that is 2 into 5 by 4 integration dt by 1. 1 means how we can write, that is 2 minus 1 minus t square plus 2t. 1 can be written as what, that is 2 minus 1. See here, 2 1 the 2 2 ja, pi by 2 integration dt by, here 2 minus we are getting common, then 1 plus t square minus 2t. So now this is equals to pi by 2 integration dt by 2 means how we can write that is root 2 whole square. The 1 plus t square minus 2t. This in which form 1 minus t whole square. See now a square plus b square minus 2ab. See now this in which form integration 1 by a square minus x square dx. Already we know the formula in the integration. Integration 1 by a square minus x square dx. What is the formula here? See 1 by 2a into log of mod a plus x by a minus x. So apply this formula here. Pi by 2 into 1 by 2 into this is a square minus x square. 1 by 2 into what is a here? Root 2 into log of mod a plus x means what that is root 2 plus x means what 1 minus t by a minus x root 2 minus 1 minus t. Okay. Now plus what c. So now what we are getting here? Now pi by 4 root 2 into log of mod root 2 plus 1 minus what is t here? T is nothing but what that is tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 by here root 2 minus 1 minus tan x by 2 plus what that is c. Now we have to prove it. Here what we are getting here? Now apply the limits, that is what is the limits here? 0 so now this is equals to how we can write here? We have to find out the limits, that is first we have to find out lower limit. See a tan x by 2 equals to t we are taking, then x equals to 0 we are taking, then tan 0 equals to what, that is 0. X equals to 0 we are taking, x equals to 0, then t equals to 0. This is lower limit. And next what is upper limit here? Upper limit, that is what is the tan, what is x here? That is pi by 2 by 2 which is equals to t. Then tan pi by 2 is how much? 4. Pi by 4 equals to t. Now what is tan pi by 4 means? That is tan 45 degrees, that is 1. T equals what? That is 1. So what is the upper limit here? T equals 1 we are getting. Now substitute here, that is pi by 4 root 2 into log of root 2 plus